Hello everyone, I am Nilofar. Today we are going to learn a very interesting topic. But before I start my topic, let's see some sums. Here are some fish are given. Let's count how many fish are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then some fish are go away. So how many remaining? Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now total fish are here 9. The same sum we will see in the numbers. Here 12 numbers are given, then take away 3. Now tell me which number comes down? Yes, very good. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. This is a vertical form. We already learned in previous topic. Now next sum. Here some frogs are given. Let's count how many frogs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we will take away some frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now students, tell me how many frogs are remaining. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, 16 frogs are remaining. Same we will see with the help of numbers. 20 numbers are given. Then we take away 4 numbers. So student, how many remaining? 20, then subtract 4, 16. Yes, this is also same vertical form. So today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, subtraction with carry over. First read the sum with the help of sticks. Units place 3 sticks are given and below only 1 stick, and tens place 1 bundle in 10 stick and below also same 1 bundle in 10 sticks. First we will see the units place. 3 subtract 1. 1. We take away. So how many remaining? 1 and 2. 2 sticks. Now the tens position, 1 bundle then subtract 1 is equal to 0. Here nothing. Now let's see the sum with the help of numbers. First, we will draw the lines, then 13 subtract 11. First, we will see the units place. 3 subtract 1 is equal to 2, and 1 subtract 1 is equal to 0. So 13 subtract 11 is equal to 2. Let's see the sum with the help of sticks. First, read the sum. Units place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. Then we subtract 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 6 sticks and below 4 sticks are given. Now we will take away 6 from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many remaining? Yes, 1 and 2 sticks are remaining. Now tens place, here only one bundle is given of 10 sticks and below is nothing. So one bundle of 10 stick is here nothing. So the same bundle comes below. Now let's see this sum with the help of numbers. First, draw the lines, then put the tens and units. Write down the sum. 16 subtract 4. Now 6 subtract 4, first see the units place. 6 subtract 4 is equal to 2. And here 1 tens place, downside is no number given. So 1 below nothing. So 1 subtract 0 is equal to 1. Now 16 subtract 4 is equal to 12. First, we will see the unit place. Can we take away 3 from 1? No. Why? Because 3 sticks are more than 1 stick. So, we can borrow 1 10. So, how many sticks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then we take away 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tens place. Here one bundle of 10 stick and here also one bundle of 10 stick. If we take away the one bundle of this one bundle, then how many remaining? We get 0. Yes. Let's see this sum with the help of number. First we will draw the lines and first we will see the units place. Okay. 1, we have to borrow 1 here, then here comes 11. Then 11 subtract 3 is 8 and 1, 2, then we have to borrow 1 there. So here remaining 1. Then 1 subtract 1 is equal to 0. First we will see in units place. Here 2 sticks are given and here 4. Can we take away 4 from 2? No. Why? Because 4 sticks are more than 2 sticks. So we borrow 1 tan. So now here how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we will 12 here, then we take away 4. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, tens place. Here, 2 bundle of 10 sticks. Then we take away 1 bundle. So, 2 from 1 take away, then which answer come here? We get 110. Yes. So now we will see with the help of sums. Here 32, then we subtract 40. Same we have to do here. Here 2 number and downside 4 number. First we will see units place. So 2 from 4 we not take away because 4 is more than 2. So we cut 2 and then we borrow 110 here. So here how many remaining? 2. Now first do units place. 12, then we subtract 4. So we get the answer 8. Now tens place. 2 subtract 1 is equal to 1. Now next, here 32 subtract 26. Do the same. 32 then subtract 26. 6 is more than 2. So we will borrow 1 from 3. So here 12 and 3 from 1 go here, then 2 comes here. So first we will do the units place. 12 subtract 6 is equal to 6 and 2 subtract 2 is equal to 0. So 32 minus 26 is equal to 6. Now next sum, 37 subtract 80. Here 7 is smaller than 8. So we can cut the 7 and put upside and borrow 110 from 3. So how many here remaining? 2. Now we will do first units place. 17 subtract 8 is equal to 9 and 2 subtract 1 is equal to 1. So 37 subtract 18 is equal to 19. Now activity time. Color the picture using the color code. Here upside some color code given. If your answer it comes 16, then you put that number red color. If your answer is 22, then you put the color orange, that number. Like that you have to fill these sums. Subtract the numbers. In your maths notebook, all of you draw this sum like that only and draw in middle this animal and do this sum in these boxes. Now homework time. Subtract. Given sum, all of you subtract in your maths notebook. Next one, subtract the following with the help of tens and units table. I hope you all of you enjoyed this lesson very well. Thank you.